For Arribatec, and I also think for our customer, it's important to have an end-to-end system that delivers all the important processes, which is RamBase. But since it is a standard system, it's important to have the ability to add on integrations, and that's where Arribatec comes in to help create those integrations to make the customer's ecosystem complete.
Arribatec has built integrations with systems like Autodesk Vault and Power BI, showing that the API possibilities are endless. By utilizing the APIs, we can build integrations that ties together the ecosystem for the customer. By implementing RamBase, we give functionality that covers the whole value chain for the customers. This gives better control of the production processes.
I think it's important to our customers because what Arribatec kind of stands for is being able to deliver a one-stop shop or an end-to-end solution to the customers. And that is also what RamBase enables us to do.